family. Divorce papers, child support.
So, babe went to go drop the kids off in Georgia. So I'm just checking in, making sure he's okay. Because normally I go with him to keep him up. Because he's doing a quick back and forth trip. But I didn't go this time because we couldn't get a bigger vehicle to go to Georgia. It's Labor Day week. Sorry, I just woke up. It's Labor Day weekend and couldn't find any cars at Hertz, at any of the dealers. So he just took his Benz and there wasn't enough space in there to hold me, Kai, and the baby. So I'm just checking in, making sure he's okay. And while he's doing that, I am gonna show you guys his birthday presents. My hubby is a Virgo, okay? Yes, he's a Virgo man. And he absolutely suck. He suck at gift giving. I'll be the first to tell you. So me, not so much. Now, I'm gonna try to take this whole thing out this bag. I'm trying to look for where it actually opens. This is a pain in my ass. This is a bag. Comes with the handles. I thought this thing came with handles to go over your shoulder. Oh my god. If I had known I would have bought handles. But there's the time. Since it's really nice inside and spacious. Oh, here's the handle. Thank God. I love buying him stuff that he actually needs. So like for Father's Day, I got him a bunch of black V-neck shirts because he's a very simple person and he likes to wear his V-neck shirts. So that's just who he is. That's kind of his uniform. He'll wear a black V-neck shirt and some sweats pulled up to his knee everywhere and every day. That's just what he likes. And I like that about him. He's simple. Got him some V-necks, a whole lot of V-neck shirts, black V-necks, and again, got him a card. But I kind of go all out a bit for birthdays, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this card. I think I'm gonna do the trick where you put this in a small box, then a medium-sized box, and a large box, and then an even larger box, and then trick him like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But very hard to hide packages from him. So a quick little Amazon haul. I got him that bag on Amazon. I got him a card, and I got some 3-month plus pacifiers because honestly I lost her pacifier holder and at the beach, and all her pacifier, I had 8 pacifiers. I only can find 2 now of her 0 to 3 month pacifiers. But anyway, she's turned 3 months old. Let's see, today is what, 3 days ago. So I got some 3-month plus pacifiers. I got her some little clips to go in her hair. And then I got her a new pacifier holder. Thank God. I absolutely love the elephant. And these are washable. You can throw these in the washing machine and dry them. So I love them a lot. I'm actually going to put a pacifier on there that's actually already sanitized. So and you guys are probably not gonna see this until after his birthday because he watched all my videos. So, and this is how the card looks. And the front say I love you a crap ton, and it says it's your fault you're being so stinking wonderful. And I like to give him funny cards. I think it's hilarious because we're always cracking up because of stuff. Oh. And I woke up at 7. These kids normally wake up at 8:30. Sometimes Kai wakes up at 8. As soon as he don't feel me in that bed anymore, he gets up. Literally. See what's coming. That's what I bought. My bra and Kai's diapers are coming. Hopefully they'll come in a bigger box than this or a medium-sized box, and I can use that box. But for now, I'm just gonna cut the paper for this one. No, I'm not gonna cut it just yet. So I just did my makeup. I'm probably gonna show you guys this look. But the Amazon package came and they just put it in a bag. So
Mommy.
Yes, Kai. Oh, fuck no. This is huge. So I bought a bra from Amazon. But it's huge as hell. And I got 38 DD. It's huge. And it's a breastfeeding. It's a breastfeeding bra. So it clips off. But I have some, but they're like kind of like sports bra. I wanted something with a little bit of padding. I'm gonna have to try that on. Egg Papa. And I'm sorry if you hear Kai's thing going in the background. And I got him some underwear because we're about to start potty training. And these are kind of like a bit waterproof. So they put some material in here to make it waterproof. And I got these from Amazon. It's the Moo brand. Kai keeps taking off his diaper when he poops or when his diaper is full with pee. So I know it's time now to start potty training. 1, 2, and I got 4. And I'll film. I don't know if I'll film him being potty trained or I'll just make a video talking about it, but yeah, that's what I got. So I'm gonna finish doing what I was doing, wrapping Babe's gift, and call it a day. So if you're wondering where I'm gonna hide these, in our closet. I have a lot of long clothes, so put them right at the back. And then put the other one back there. Clean. Guess I am actually a 38 double D, because these actually fit and they're comfortable. They're not too tight, they're not squeezing through the side, and that's why I got a bigger size. So they fit. Me don't know. Up in here, find out now.
Here it comes, this feeling, like that. Oh, next box. Yeah, do me like a girl, man. She was like, you are such a, you and your silly self. I'm pull up, I want next box. No, you and your silly self. Oh, God, man. Divorce, pedophiles, child support. Child support notificate. God know what I'm talking about. That 3 box though. I'm free this now, babe, or later?
I can't read it, whatever.
It's my mom, not a good person. Form. A crap ton. You bought them beds, man?
Yeah.
What did you do? So we can sleep in our bed?
Uh-huh.
So stinking one for. So thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Oh, I know this one. How do I get into this?
You can slide off or something. Yeah.
Like a garter belt. Ward off evil spirits.
Alright, so.
Red strength. So, how much boxes are this, babe?
It's only one box.
No, they're heavy. Oh my God. Hi.
Kai.
You good, Pops?
Kai. Oh my.
It's kind of big. How it is? One bag. This one is dope. We don't want the paper kind. This is dope. A leather bag. See my next leather bag? These last forever, okay? Very professional.
Yeah.
Tough leather. So this is the last one I see on leather.
The straps is in the May I try to tell myself?
You trying to run me out the house, yo?
No, your bag is messed up.
Time to go back to work. Your bag just needs some polishing. You like this a lot?
No, this one me I thought about. The one over there, so we had as a car. It's
Yeah, cause that wasn't leather. So
no,
it
crack up. Yeah.
That one right there is leather. That was my graduation present to myself. I invested in a bag.
For work.
Yeah.